Hey guys, today I have a PR and makeup haul. I'm so excited. So this first package was a total surprise to me. I didn't realize that I had actually made Laura Mercier's PR list. I thought it was like a one-off thing, but they sent me their Christmas collection, guys. Like, what is my life? Like, when, so I get all my parcels sent to work and mum said that I had a parcel from Laura Mercier and I was like, what the hell? Like, I had no idea that they were sending it over. Like, I almost cried when she told me. I was like, I'm just forever grateful and I just don't know what the hell I did to deserve this. But anyway, they sent me another little card, so I'll read out what it says. It says, Dear Sophie, celebrate the season of giving with our limited edition Ballet in Paris holiday collection. Inspired by the elegance of the ballet, be swept off your feet with our wide range of bold colours, opalescent finishes and luxurious textures. Enclosed are Laura Mercier's gift wrapping essentials as we welcome you to gift a loved one with any product of your choosing from the items we sent over. Share your holiday artistry with us at Laura Mercier, #Laura Mercier. From the Laura Mercier team, available at Mecca stores and at mecca.com.au. So yeah, that is just... First off, I need to say a huge thank you to Laura Mercier for sending this over because I am so thankful and it means the entire world to me, but also I need to say a huge thank you to you guys because if it wasn't for you, I would not have brands working with me and yeah. But anyway, let's get into it. I'm so excited. So the first thing they sent over was some little gift wrapping stuff, which it is just so cute. So you get some little wrapping paper. Like, this is so sweet. Like, that is just the cutest thing in the whole world. I love that. And then it also comes with a little bow or like a little ribbon to make a bow. And then it's got this beautiful little tag that you can stick on. I think that is so cute. I honestly want to keep it forever. But yeah, I think that is just such a cute idea. Like, I just love the little things that come in PR. Like, I feel like sometimes it's not even about the products, it's about like the little special things that come, like the powder puff that I got last time. Like, I treasure that. It's up there and I look at it every single day and just feel so blessed. But yeah, that is so cute. And then they sent over this little booklet with information about all the products that are inside. So let's see what we have in here. So first we have the little Set to Perfect translucent setting powder and puff set. Laura Mercier's iconic award-winning translucent setting powder is now available in limited edition packaging inspired by the elegance of ballet. Paired with Laura Mercier's signature velour puff, this duo offers a smooth sheer matte finish that sets the stage for a flawless 16-hour performance. Oh, cool. It says it's available in translucent and translucent medium deep, which is awesome. Obviously, they sent me translucent. So that is it here. It's so funny. I actually already bought one of these because I bought one for my sister. So I had to wait. But anyway, no, I really want to keep this because I love the limited edition packaging. It's so beautiful. So that means I have now 3 Laura Mercier setting powders, so I can probably put one in a giveaway. I might put the non-limited edition one in a giveaway just because I really want to keep the limited edition one. And then it also comes with one of their little powder puffs. Oh, I have already another one of these as well, so I can probably put that in a giveaway as well. But yeah, that is just so cute. I love the packaging. It's like rose gold and it's just so stunning and so beautiful compared to the normal packaging, which is like their kind of signature kind of like a brown shade. So yeah, so beautiful. This one feels so much heavier than mine, so I must be getting like empty. Okay, so that was the first thing. Then next we have the Sweeping Beauty Essential Brush Collection. It says this luxurious set features 5 travel-friendly brushes for creating compelling looks on the go. Laura Mercier's fan powder brush, cheek color brush, smoky eyeliner brush, all over eye color brush, and eye crease brush come housed in a supple pink leather clutch bounded by a delicate ribbon. When my mum sat with me while I opened this and she dibsed this, so this is going to be one of her Christmas presents, but this is the packaging here. I love this packaging. It is so stunning. And this is what it looks like here. I'll open it up and show you. I'm sure my mum won't mind. So this is the little case here. I think that is so stunning. I love it. And then you undo it. And they're little mini brushes. They're so cute. So they're all just in there. My mum's gonna love that. She was like, oh, I need some new brushes. And I was like, okay. So yeah, I feel like she'll be stoked with that. And I can wrap that up in the little Christmas wrapping paper. But I'm so bad at wrapping presents, so I feel like I might need her to wrap her own present so it looks nice. But I don't want her to rip it, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, so that was the next thing. Then we have the Grand Overture Mini Caviar Quartet. Caviar stick eye color is a gift that keeps on giving with its pigmented application. Featuring wondrous buildable color, these frosty shimmer and matte finishes glide and gleam seamlessly onto the lids, staying crease and transfer resistant no matter what holiday festivities entail. The luxe formulation gives you with plenty of ways to smudge, blend, line, feel or define any look. So that's these here, and it's so cute, look. Ah, it's so sweet. So it comes with 4 of the little caviar sticks. You guys will have to let me know, would you rather see me review these or would you rather see me put these in a giveaway? I've never tried these before, but yeah, I'm not too sure if it's something that I would 100% use. So should I try them out on camera or would you guys rather like see them in a giveaway? Let me know down below. But oh, so stunning, they're so cute and I love the little packaging. And then the last thing I'm so excited about, this is the Opening Night Cheek Palette. This trio of blush, bronzer and illuminating highlighter lends a natural glow to the face and cheeks with buildable formulas that glide onto the skin for a beautiful flush of colour and shine. I'm so excited, and this one's like a baby pink colour, whereas the rest of them have been like red. I'm so excited for this. I've never had like cheek products from Mercier. I think the only thing I have is I have a primer and the powders. So this is how it looks here. It is so stunning. I'm so excited. So you get a highlighter, a blush and a bronzer. Isn't that just beautiful? I'm definitely going to be trying that out in a video. I'm so excited. They look so beautiful though. So the shades are Audition, Matinee and Curtain Call. I cannot wait. Woohoo! Okay, so thank you so much, Laura Mercier, for sending that over. I honestly appreciate it so much. It means the entire world to me. But yeah, let me know if you guys would like this in a giveaway or if you would prefer to see me try it. But yeah, thank you guys. Oh, wait, the video's not finished. Never mind. But yeah, thank you so much once again to Laura Mercier. I honestly appreciate it so much. It means the entire world. Okay, next I got some things from Bath & Body Works. This is just, I have 2 more orders and combined I think I spent like $700 on my next 2 orders, so there's going to be a huge candle haul coming soon. But first I got the Vanilla Bean Noel Shower Gel. This smells amazing. I'm so excited. Oh yeah. Oh, it's just such an amazing scent. I'm so excited and it's my favorite color. It's green. I love it. I'm so excited that I have one of those and it's huge. It's going to last me for literally forever. And then I got some candles. The first one that I got is the Spiced Gingerbread. This is part of their Christmas collection and I am so excited. It smells so good. It smells like gingerbread, but it smells spicy. Like it's got heaps of like little cinnamon and spices and like, oh, it just smells so good. I love it. I'm so obsessed. I cannot wait. Then I also got Autumn, which, does it have a scent description? Bright red gala apple, juicy fig and eucalyptus leaf. It smells so fresh and so beautiful and so amazing. And just like so happy and soul filling. I can't even describe it. It's amazing. If you can smell this candle, go and smell it. Like, it just smells like good times, you know. And then the last one that I got is pumpkin apple. And I accidentally ordered 2 of these. Like, I ordered this one and then in another order that I made, I ordered another one. But my mum said she really liked it, so that's good because then at least she can have one. The notes for this one are, well, not notes, like the scent description is delicious red apple, fall pumpkin and ground cinnamon. Oh my god, I can't even describe. It smells so good. It's like pumpkin and apple, but like so nice. I can't even describe it. It's amazing. But yeah, that was everything I got from Bath & Body Works for now. My other 2 orders said they're on their way and should be here by next week. So yeah, there'll probably be a huge candle haul coming soon. So keep your eyes peeled. What I'm gonna do is, so I'm getting like Christmas presents coming in now because I'm ordering them. So I'm gonna show them in hauls, but then I'm also gonna do a collective Christmas present video at the end when I have all of my Christmas presents, just to give you guys some ideas. But that'll probably be like a few days before Christmas. So I want to show you them as they're coming in as well, because obviously not like if you want to start doing your shopping now, this might give you some ideas now, if that makes sense. So I'll show you what I got. And I don't think my sister does watch my videos, but Jordan, if you're at this part of the video, click off now because these are your Christmas and birthday presents. So yeah, the first thing I got was the Laura Mercier thing that they sent me. But that's good though, because now I can have one and now she can have one. She loves the Laura Mercier powder. So yeah, I got her one of those. I also got her the Pure Canvas Primer Triplet set from Laura Mercier. It comes with the blurring primer, the hydrating primer, and the illuminating primer. I thought she would really like that. She can try out, you know, a few different formulas. And her birthday is in December as well, like a few days before Christmas. It's like a week or so before Christmas. So I got her the Tatcha set. This was going to be her birthday present, I think. This is the Pore Perfecting and Protecting set, and it comes with the Deep Cleanse, the Kiss You Lip Mask, the Liquid Silk Canvas, and the Water Cream. This is actually a really cute set. Maybe I should buy it for myself. But yeah, so that's it there. I feel like that's a really cute little set. I think she'll really like that. She really loves like high-end stuff. And then the last thing that I got her for now was the Ambient Lighting Edit Mini, which looks like this. She loves Hourglass as well. She's the type of person that she won't buy makeup unless it's a special occasion. Like I think the last time she would have bought makeup was like when we went away or something, whereas, you know, I buy makeup all the time. But no, she loves Hourglass, so I thought she would really love this. And oh, it's just such a beautiful set. It's so stunning. So it comes with a finishing powder in Soft Light, it comes with a bronzer in Golden Bronze Light, the blush in Mood Flush, and a metallic strobe powder in Champagne Strobe Light. I should buy this for myself as well, because this is such a pretty set. So yeah, you have pretty much everything to do a full face there. But yeah, I think she'll really like that, hopefully anyway. But yeah, I feel like she never really gets to treat herself, and she's not really the type to do it unless, yeah, it's a special occasion, so I thought she deserves some really nice presents. But yeah, that was everything I got from Mecca. It was all for they sent me this little sample as well. I think it's a perfume. It's called Another 13 perfume. It smells like my dad. I feel like it's something he would wear. Anyway. Okay, and then the last thing. There's one more thing to show you. I mean, Royal Essence brought out their advent calendar and I had to pick one up. This is how it looks. It is so cute. It's the 12 days of Christmas and you get 12 mini soy candles. I'm going to unbox it after this, so if you want to watch that, it should be up soon. But yeah, I'm so excited. It's so cute. So you get 12 little candles and one of them has a jewelry surprise. So I'm very excited. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in my next one. Bye!